Hello and welcome to How to Play Cincinnati Poker, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the card game Cincinnati Poker. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay, and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 3 to 9 players. To play, you will need a 52 card deck and something to make bets with, such as poker chips. Before the cards are dealt, each player will make an ante to start the middle pot. Each player is dealt 5 cards, 1 card at a time. 5 cards are also dealt face down into the middle. The object of the game is to win chips. Chips are won by being the only player that did not fold, or by having the highest ranking poker hand among all the players that did not fold at the end of the hand. A player's ending hand consists of the best 5 cards using any cards from their hand or the middle 5 cards. The poker hands are ranked with the best being a straight flush, which is 5 cards in sequence in the same suit, then 4 of a kind, then a full house, which is 3 of a kind with a pair. If multiple players have a full house, the player with the best 3 of a kind wins the hand, then a flush, which is 5 cards in the same suit, then a straight, which is 5 cards in sequence, then 3 of a kind, then 2 pair, then a pair, and last high card. The cards are ranked with the aces being the highest down to the 2s being the lowest. The round begins with the dealer flipping up one of the middle cards. The player left of the dealer is first to bet. Player 2 bets 1 chip. Play moves left to player 3. Player 3 has 3 options. They can call the bet by betting the same amount as player 2, raise the bet by betting more than player 2, or fold and be out of the hand. Player 3 decides to call the bet. The options move to player 3, who calls the bet. Play moves to player 4, who calls the bet. Once all players have called or folded, the first betting round is over. Another card is flipped up in the middle, and the players will have another round of betting. Player 2 checks. This means they do not want to make a bet but are still in the round. Player 3 bets 1 chip. Player 4 raises the bet to 2 chips. Player 1 calls the 2 chips bet. Play moves back to player 2 now. Player 2 decides to fold and be out for this hand. Play moves back to player 3, who calls the raised bet by adding 1 chip to the pot. The second betting round is over. Another card is flipped up in the middle, and the players have another round of betting. This continues with a card being flipped to start each new betting round. The 5th middle card is flipped up and the final betting round begins. Only player 4 and player 1 are left in the round. Player 4 bets 2 chips and player 1 calls the 2 chips bet. Each player flips over their cards and announces their best 5 card hand. Player 4 has a full house with the 3 8s and the 2 queens. Player 1 has 4 of a kind with the 4 8s. Player 1 wins the pot with the highest ranking poker hand. The players will start a new round with another ante. The deal moves left to player 2. If players tie for the best ranking poker hand at the end of a round, the tying players will split the pot of chips. That wraps up How to Play Cincinnati Poker. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and find more game tutorials by subscribing to the channel Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.